Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barbara's Auto Help. Today I've got this '01 Dodge Neon here with a 2.0 in it, and I'm going to be going over the cylinder identification and wire routing on this. It's very simple. This is cylinder number 1 towards the accessory drive here, number 2, 3, 4, and the wire routing is as such. You'll see the coil here. You got some numbers. You got 1, 4, 2, and 3. And the wires go to the corresponding cylinders. So if you plug the wire in right here on this coil tower right here, this would be number 2. The wire would go to the number 2 cylinder. Number 1, the wire would go to the number 1 cylinder. Number 4, the wire would go to the number 4 cylinder. And number 3, the wire would go to the number 3 cylinder. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. This does apply to a myriad of vehicles out there that have this particular motor in it with this coil design. So this is going to help a lot of people out. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Please read the entire description of this video down below before you apply any of this knowledge. If you're watching this video on a platform other than youtube.com, you may need to go to youtube.com/Barbara's Auto Help. That's my channel. Find this video there, and the description will be beneath it. You can get the description there. Thank you guys for watching.